my first video ever while speaking English, so I apologize for the accents. The accent. I'm from Denmark, so I hope everybody managed still. This video is about a Honda Africa Twin 1100. It's a 24-25 model, and it's about adjusting the headlights. I'm a big guy. I'm almost 2 meters tall, and I'm weighing 110 plus kilos. So the headlights, the first time I went out in the night, I could see that I was bothering all the cars that are coming toward me. And I actually tried to look into the manual, and it states nothing about it. So, but I investigated a little bit, and the digital manual states that there are some knobs on the bike, and it states that to lower on the left side you have to do it clockwise, and on the right you have to do it counterclockwise. And I found out that that's not true. You have to do clockwise to get them down, counterclockwise to get them up on both knobs. So I can just show you. I got mine lowered down just a little bit, so yeah. All right, so you see the knob here. That's the knob for the left side, and then over on the other side you also have a knob. And what you need to do, that you can actually turn these with the fingers quite easily. There's still a little bit of resistance in them, so all right, so one is down there and the other one is down there. So I just adjusted them. So I just adjusted them just a little bit in the beginning, just to see. It was pretty dark that day, 10 meters away from the wall, and then I just adjusted it. And then I had a second ride. I could see I had one guy who was flashing at me, so I just adjusted a little bit. After that, never had any problems. So this was just a short video from me about how I found out that it's quite easy. And I don't think it's that cool that they don't have that in the manual, but yeah, YouTube, Facebook helps a lot. So it was just a quick video from me. See you. Bye.